Subscribe na kayo guys, alright. And then, dito tayo guys. Ay, may okra tayo dyan. May ano tayo dito, lalagyan ng oil. Mahal na ang oil ngayon. 100. Isang litro. Dati 95, ngayon 100 na. Palike naman guys, palike ang ating live. At share na rin. You know. Yan, shout out sa mga 25 viewers yan. You can subscribe you guys. Thank you. Share your love, alright? Isang litro. Kaso hindi ko na oil. 25. Ay, my God, shout out. Thank you. You can like my live stream guys, alright? And that's all. Hope all you will the big support. Oy, shallow this my TC Malone. Yan, make a love shout out to you. Alright. Thank you, shallow this by TZ. Yan. 10-6 viewers, yan guys. Alright, it's done my luto. Alright. Ito ang ating ulam guys. Alright. Ayan, magluluto tayo ng ano bang oras guys? It's 11 o'clock. And shout out to Swallow. Hello. Magluluto tayo ng tilapia. Prito natin guys. Tara, let's go. Panahon. Thirty viewers. Yeah, shout out, and you can subscribe me guys. 36, subscribe me guys. Thank you. Ayan o, shout out sa kung saan ako bumili ng itlog. 15 pieces in 135 guys. Laki na yan. Alright. Ito yung niluto natin kanina. Okay ba guys? Walang oil.